right, we're joined now by Mike Eppel over at 680. We're looking at the crazy week that we had and looking to hopefully a bit more of a stable week ahead. Good morning to you, Mike.
Yeah, let's hope so, Melanie. Good morning. We're coming off a week that saw Wall Street stock benchmarks all down more than 5% each. And the Toronto stock market, you look over a longer time frame, and the TSX has actually been worse than the U.S. because the TSX has been on a 2-week decline. It's been down in 9 of the past 10 trading sessions. So the TSX, comparably, also having now a worse year than the U.S. markets on a percentage basis. But, wow, what a week it was. Last week, the Dow was up, down, and all around. And we saw the Dow Friday, for example, down over 500 points early and then back up by 330 by the close. The Toronto market, meantime, was down another 31 points Friday and lost over 3% for the past week. Should mention that all of the markets overseas are looking pretty good to start the trading session this morning, and the Dow Futures Index is back up by almost 300 points. While Disney changing its ticket prices, the theme park operator announcing over the weekend that prices are going up at both Walt Disney World and Disneyland because of record attendance. In 2017, the Avatar World of Pandora exhibit at Disney World, for example, leading to record-breaking crowds, big crowds, long wait times. So what they're trying to do is actually smooth out the crowds during peak time periods. So they're raising the prices at Disneyland by almost 9% and about 4% at Disney World in Florida for the Magic Kingdom, and also possibly talking about bringing in fixed date ticketing sometime this summer in advance of the opening of Star Wars lands, which is set for next year. We're coming off a week of, well, volatility just because the market maybe was due. Well, this week it could be about earnings. Coming up on the earnings calendar this week, we've got the parent company of Tim Hortons, Restaurant Brands International, set to report results. Air Canada, Canadian Tire, and that sector that has seen a lot of interest over the past year, the medical marijuana producers. They'll be reporting quarterly results as well at the TSX this week. Canadian dollar starts the day just shy of 80 cents U.S. We'll send it back to the studio.
And we also have a big infrastructure bill coming out from the U.S. a little later on this morning or this afternoon as well, Mike.
Yes, indeed, and that's going to lead to maybe some activity on the construction sector of stock because that's going to be a lot of money being spent if, of course, they can get it through the various levels of Congress and the Senate.
Should be not a problem. All right, thank you, sir.